Hi guys, my name is Twinkle. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to talk about skincare products from the brand called Alya Skin or Alya Skin. So without any chit chat, let's just start the video. Now, Alya Skin is an Australia-based brand and they have their pink skincare range. And I have two products from them. The first one is the Pomegranate Exfoliator Facial Scrub, and the second one I have is the Alya Skin Pink Perfect Australian Pink Clay Mask, which detoxifies and brightens. Now, first of all, I want to talk about packaging. The packaging of both the products is general, normal, generic, nothing fancy, which is great, like very simple. I will start with this product. Now, the ingredients are pretty straightforward and simple and very common. Now, this brand mainly focuses on like gentle ingredients, I would say. So yeah, they are very straightforward and simple, nothing too complicated. Now, this one smells like rose. It's like a baby pink in color and it has pomegranate seeds. So the pomegranate seed powder, mainly powder, is what will exfoliate your skin. It is very gentle, and if you don't know, pomegranate in general is very good for your skin. It does a lot of good things to the skin. So I haven't tried anything like any skincare or anything with pomegranate, so I was very excited to try this one out. And it's been almost 2.5 months, I would say, since I'm using this product, and I have incorporated in my regular skincare with other products just to see how it works with everything else, and it does work amazing. I am from a dry skin type, and I would say this one leaves my skin very nice, fresh and pink, like a glow from within, which is what we look for in skincare. And it just cleans and does like a normal exfoliating or a face scrub job. However, I would say I've like tried so many facial exfoliators, like so many facial scrubs, and this one particularly is very gentle if I keep that I have dry skin in my mind, if that makes any sense. So yeah, I will follow this one, like I usually do follow this one with a toner. So yeah, overall I love this product. This one doesn't have any expiry date, but it comes with a shelf life, and you can see this, there is this very little jar open, and it says 6 months. So it comes with a shelf life. As soon as you open the product, it starts 6 months from the date you open. So yeah, and it is generous in quantity, 80 grams of product. So yeah, a big thumbs up. The only downside is you have to use it within 6 months, which is kind of hard for a person like me who has like zillions of skincare products. But moving on to the next product, this one is the Pink Perfect Australian Pink Clay Mask. Too much pink going on, but yes, it is pink in color and it smells so nice. And if you smell this, like if you look at this and smell this, the texture and the fragrance is very familiar. It smells like bentonite clay. So yes, and they have the process on how to use is written over here. So in case you lose the outer packaging, you don't have to worry about it. And the expiry date is also at the back, so it comes with a thank you note, and this is how the outer packaging is. I just wanted to show, and it is cruelty free. Both the products are cruelty free. So this one has a process written and everything. Now this one is a clay mask. First of all, I'm a dry skin type. I stay away from clay mask because I just feel like it just dries my skin out so much, and then I have to follow up with a lot of moisturizer. So I kind of stopped using them. But when I got a chance to try this one out, I was a little scared to try, but when I tried, I loved it. And surprisingly, like again, This one leaves my skin like fresh and pink and like very refreshed, which of course a cleanser wouldn't do on a daily basis for me. So yeah, and again, this one is also a part of my every week skincare routine, and it works amazing. I honestly do not hate, or I do not have any negative thing to say about this product. This product has a shelf life of 12 months. That's what the box says, and it also has an expiry date. So it would expire in 3 years. So yeah, I don't have anything negative to say about this product. It works amazing. It doesn't dry out my skin. However, I follow this one up with a serum. And it makes more sense to follow up any clay mask with a moisturizer, and this does say that you have to follow up with a moisturizer even if you are from a oily skin type or acne prone skin. Both the products, I would say, works amazing for all skin types. Just give it a try. They both are gentle. And the main thing I want to put out is use both the products with warm water. Trust me when I say this, it works amazing. Like, use any skincare product with warm water and you will see instant difference in the results. So this one I follow up with a toner and then a moisturizer, and this one I follow up with a serum or a moisturizer. This one I prefer using at night, so that you get whole 7-8 hours for your skin to soak up and like work its own way out. So yes, the best part, I have tried this very trending skincare thing going on. It's called multi-masking technique, and I did give it a try once and it worked amazing. It was looking like a baby skin, I would say. Like, it was looking flawless. Flawless is the right word. So yeah, with multi-masking it works amazing. If you have right mask, it would work amazing. I'm gonna pop the picture here somewhere of my Instagram where I use this particular product in a skincare routine, so that you can see how it works on my skin, and you will see like a bare skin without any makeup, which I'm not ashamed of by any means, just putting it out. And this one, I have used it along with other masks. Let me know if you want a video on how to multi-mask or something like that. I would love to do it. So yeah, that was my sweet short review about these two products. Let me know how you find it. And oh, by the way, I'm gonna link the links of the Australia and Canada in the description box. If you are in Canada, you can find these products in Winners and Marshalls around you. So yeah, go ahead and check them out, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.